Afternoon. 40 tonight, a starry night with the winds picking up. 62 tomorrow. Sunny skies and gusty winds, north winds 5 to 15, gusting to 25 miles an hour. 38 through the heartland tonight, a little bit of a chill, and 65 tomorrow. A really nice day. Just tolerate those winds, gusting to 25 to 30 miles an hour, but nice to see those temperatures holding in the 60s. 70s on Sunday. Our next cold front comes through Tuesday, and this is the one that we need to really pay attention to. The coldest temperatures of the season are going to be in play all next week, starting on Tuesday. 48 for a high on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, a 20% chance Wednesday night for freezing rain. 22 after only a high of 36. And then only a high of 32 on Thursday with a 20% chance of freezing rain. And then 27 for a high, but partly sunny skies on next Friday. So just get that